بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ملاحظة صغيرة قبل ما نبدأ حلقة اليوم. من اليوم وطالع للمقاطع البرمجة مثل هذا المقطع سأتحدث باللغة الإنجليزية وسأضع ترجمة نصية للغة العربية. شكرا لكم. يلا نبلش المقطع.
So now I have created the directory, as you can see, and I will be opening it in the code editor called Visual Studio Code. So now I will be creating a file called main.py in which I will add the following lines. But for now I want to open Visual Studio Code to show you where to install it if you still do not have Visual Studio Code, as it is one of the best editors for Python editing. But you can also use PyCharm if you want. So now let's go back to main.py. So we're going to now write the following lines. As you can see here, I am installing pytubefix, but I spelled it. It says that I have already installed it. So I have installed it, but you have not. So you need to install it. It will just say install to the path. When you successfully install it, then if we write pipx list, it shows the two packages that we have installed. So now what I am going to do is I'm going to create a directory where we are going to store our project files for today's tutorial. Now you will see what it is. So now I have created the directory, as you can see, and I will be opening it in the code editor called Visual Studio Code. So now I will be creating a file called main.py in which I will add the following lines. But for now I want to open Visual Studio Code to show you where to install it if you still do not have Visual Studio Code, as it is one of the best editors for Python editing. But you can also use PyCharm if you want. So now let's go back to main.py. So we're going to now write the following lines. So now we're going to want to write from pytubefix import YouTube. Here I made a mistake which I will notice later, which the YouTube in the T it's not capital, but it should be capital. So now I'm going to make a section for variables where I am going to declare a variable called, first of all, URL, which this is the URL of the YouTube video which we are going to be taking in from the user. We are going to write paste slash insert YouTube video URL here. And then we're going to do two lines and then a space. Then we're going to make a variable called yt. We are going to set it equal to YouTube, which now you can see I fixed it because it's not correct. It should be capital T, YouTube, and we are going to put in the URL as a parameter. So now we are going to create a stream variable. We're going to set it equal to the stream of the YouTube, and as you can see, stream, I made a mistake. It should have been streams, and then we're going to get the highest resolution video as the stream of videos which we need. Then we are going to start writing the functionality of the code. So first we are going to need to write to the user that we got the video, which we are going to use a f string. We are here going to write downloading and then in curly brackets we're going to write yt.title, as yt is the variable which we are getting from it, the YouTube video. Then we are going to actually perform the downloading functionality, which as you can see is here written stream dot. We're going to call a function from the stream variable. We're going to download, and this downloads it to the local directory in which the script was run. So if you run it in home, the video would be in home. So now after that we are going to write a message to the user that download has finished successfully. As you can see, we are writing download completed successfully, and then we have finished. Like that we have finished our script, but we will come across an error, uh, and also I forgot in the middle of the process how to run the script itself. So uh, now I'm cding into the file or folder which the code is in, and I will now look for the this one command which we need to run it. So I forgot the simple command, which is going to be pipx run dash dash spec pytubefix, and then we are going to give the script. But I forgot that I put a rub and not run, which you're going to see me crash out over it. Invalid choice rub. So we are going to put run. It's going to install pytubefix as a temporary dependency. And then we're going to paste in any YouTube video, which I will bring out now very quickly. I don't know what I will choose even. I'm watching and commenting. So I went on to my channel and I choose the shortest video just to test it out. So I cut it and I paste it. And now the problem which I told you about streams has occurred, and I will go and fix it and change it to streams. Now I'm going to try save and try again, uh, because yeah, and now it's downloading, and the download has completed successfully. So now we're going to find it in file manager, and I forgot where I have downloaded. Oh no, I remembered, and as you can see, the video is there, but my computer sadly played no sound because of the screen recorder. I'll find out a better one. So now you saw how that worked, and you can put an alias for it, just to make it a simple yt-download, and it will call the script itself. I will try to show you that later. I think I will put it somewhere in the description. But for now, that's the end of the tutorial, and I will see you later. Thank you. Bye.